Hi, good morning, dear Gemini. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Please keep in mind these are general readings, and it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And this is a reading from today till the 21st of October. Okay, sweetie? Let's start. Gemini, your partner's current energy right now is. Let's see. Lovers, the lovers. I feel like right now your partner is feeling deeply connected to you, deeply attracted to, highly attracted towards you, and this attraction is more physical than emotional, to be very honest. This is a very passionate energy. This is energy of feminine and masculine, and he is feeling exceptionally attracted towards you. Okay, this is the lovers card. Let me clarify the lovers. So in Light Seers, I feel I'm using the Light Seers tarot, this one. The meaning is slightly different from the Rider-Waite. So in this card that I'm seeing here for your partner's current energy, this person is highly attracted, and it could be you that they are attracted to. It could be somebody else also. But this is passionate, highly intense and passionate and lustful energy, I must say. This is not loving energy. This is lustful energy. Let me clarify the lovers in their current energy. Eight of Swords, the Justice card. You could be dealing with a Gemini or Libra here, and the Eight of Wands. 8 is here 2 times. So 8 is a number of moksha and infinity, and 8 is a number of, you can say, communication as well, and 8 is a number of justice as well. That's why I feel that justice is here. So this person is highly attracted, but they have to take some kind of decision. They are highly attracted towards you. They have lots of attractive, or you can say lustful, you can say, feelings towards you, but they are in some kind of mental jail. They are in some kind of mental jail right now. They are not able to come out of the thoughts that they are making for themselves. They are making, the energy negative, the aura negative for themselves. They want to do justice with this connection with you. They just want to do justice with the connection that they are having with you, and they want to have back and forth communication regarding this connection. Okay, I feel like they want to have a certain decision regarding this connection with you, and that's why this person wants to do justice with you and with this connection as a whole, and they want to have a back and forth communication. Okay, they are feeling attracted, and they just want to do justice with their own feelings, with this connection with you, and they want to have back and forth communication. This is their current energy. It could be you that they are thinking about, or it could be somebody else as well. Okay, so let me see what's your current energy, Gemini. Your current energy right now is the Emperor. You could be dealing with the Aries here. So Gemini, you are also taking some kind of decision. I feel like you have made your mind already. And you just want to conclude that yes, this is my decision, this is what I'm going to do. I am not going to compromise in any kind of situation. So you are adamant right now. This is you. You might be acting rude or indifferent or some kind of detached or cold or off. Something is there that is, making you feel like little rude right now. Okay, let me clarify the Emperor in your current energy. 10 of Pentacles, the Strength card, and the Temperance card. You could be dealing with a Leo here, or you could be dealing with a Sagittarius here. So you have taken a decision that you are going to shift your focus on your money, business, or everything related to your money, and you're holding back a lot of things. You're holding back your anger, or you're holding back your temperament or something like that. You're trying to balance your emotions. So the Emperor is trying to shift the focus on the money part. Okay, you are holding back a lot of things. You are acting very courageous. You are using whole of your strength to balance your emotions, to balance your temper, to balance whatever that is not working for you. You are trying to balance that. You're trying your best to balance that situation. Okay, good. Let's see what this person feels for you. Their feelings for you. Gemini, let's see their feelings for you. The World. Okay, the World is the feeling for you. I feel like they are feeling that one cycle is completed. Certain cycle in this connection is completed between you and them, and there is something that is unfinished. Although this cycle is completed, but the relationship or the connection is not over yet, not completely over yet. Okay, this is what they feel for you. Let me clarify the world. Let me clarify the world. The death card, see, this is a separation card, or this is ending card. They are feeling like the relationship is over and there is certain kind of death in this relationship. They are stuck and they are hopeful. Could be dealing with an Aquarius here or Scorpio here. Lots of signs are here. I feel like every sign is coming in your reading. So Gemini, this person is feeling like the relationship has ended, but there is a rebirth, there is a hope, there is a positivity that they are feeling like in the future things are going to be better, things are going to be good, because see, can you see the ending here, and they're stuck. They're trying to look at the world or look at this connection with you with a different perspective or with a different light, and they're very hopeful and positive that everything is going to be fine. Right now this person is going through certain kind of healing process. They feel like you both should heal from the past situation, or you both should heal from a situation where you guys ended things. Okay, there was a separation, there was 100% a separation, definitely there was a separation, or there was ending, there was some kind of ending or separation, and this person is feeling like although things have ended, but they are hopeful and positive that things are going to work out in the future. They feel like they have a connection with you although things have ended. Okay, this is the situation here, this is what they feel. Let me see what this person wants from you. King of Cups. They want love from you, and this love is not just love. This love is kind of beautiful love. Okay, mature love. They want to have a mature and stable and committed love relationship with you. This is what they want from you. They want love from you. This is basically what they want from you. From all the emotions that they are carrying right now, they are overwhelmed with the emotions that they are carrying for you. They want to stabilize the emotions and make it a mature connection. Okay, make it a mature relationship. Let me clarify the King of Cups as what they want from you. Let me see. Wheel of Fortune, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups. I feel like they just want you to go with the flow and just restart your life. Okay, and look out for options in your life. Might be might be professionally or financially, I don't know, but this person just wants you to look out for the options that are good for you. Might be an emotional life, I don't know what kind of options they want you to explore, but they want you to just go with the flow and trust the universe and trust the process that everything is going to be fine, and there is a brand new beginning in certain kind of situation in your life, and they just want you to explore the emotions, explore the explore the, you can say, options that you have, or the other thing that I'm getting here is that they want you to come out of this confusing state of mind where you might be having lots of options in your life emotionally, but they just want you to stabilize your mind and stabilize your emotions and be in a place where you feel mentally and emotionally stable. Okay, this is what they want from you. Basically, this person wants to have a mature and very, very secure and beautiful love relationship with you, where they don't want you to bound. They just want you to stay in your own power, in your own emotions, and just be loyal to your inner self. Okay, just be loyal to yourself and understand what you really want. Then only proceed further in your life. Okay, so let me show you the cards. So this is the Wheel of Fortune, this is the Ace of Pentacles, and this is the Seven of Cups. King of Cups is clarified by these cards. So basically this person wants you to explore love, just go with the flow and start your life again and explore the options, or explore the things that you are having in front of your eyes, and then realize what you really want. They just want to have a real mature and loving relationship with you. No hanky-panky, no time pass, nothing. Cool. Let's see what is coming towards you till the 21st of October, honey. Justice is coming towards us. Beautiful energy, justice. As upside as downside. So it is like justice is coming towards you. So whatever you are feeling, it is the justice. If you did something wrong with them, you are going to serve the punishment. If they did something wrong to you, they are going to serve the punishment. The karma is here to play the role of justice. Okay, could be dealing with a Libra here. Let me clarify. Justice came 2 times in your reading, so very high chances that you are dealing with a Libra here. Let me clarify the justice. 3 of Pentacles and the 10 of Cups and the beautiful energy of 2 of Wands. I feel like the justice here is telling me that you guys are going to work on this connection, work on your own flaws, you and them, both of you individually or might be as a team, because 3 of Pentacles to me is a teamwork. So if both of you are going to put in effort, put in energy to heal the things that were not working out in this connection and make this a happy family kind of, or happy committed kind of relationship. And I think you both will decide that you guys will take your time and you guys are going to take a certain decision at a particular time in the future. So that will be the justice for both of you for this connection. Okay, this is what is going to happen. You guys are going to decide that we will take the decision after healing and after making this connection a happy connection, then only we will see. Okay, this is the justice clarified by these cards. Cool. So Gemini, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.